how to give full control on AnyDesk. So if you want to give full control on AnyDesk, then what you need to do is first open AnyDesk on your device. Share your AnyDesk address with the person that you want to give access to. Once they enter your address and request access, a permission request will appear on your screen. When the connection requests appear, review the options. Make sure to enable the following permissions: allow to take control, allow file manage access, allow clipboard access, and allow the session recording. You can also check and uncheck permissions based on what you want to allow. If any control options are disabled, the remote user won't be able to perform certain actions. Use the chat features in AnyDesk to instruct them on what permissions they need. Once all necessary permissions are granted, click on Accept to allow the connection. The remote user now has a full control over your device and can manage it as needed. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.